Fasted training is great. I train fasted, sort of. I take my Fortigen in the morning, which gives me essential amino acids, and then I do my training. And I don't think I've ever had solid food before my training in maybe 10 years. And no trouble growing muscle. So just don't worry about it. Like, as long as you get your nutrients at some point in the day, your body's gonna create that protein synthesis. It'll happen. So you don't need to stress about like what time do you need to do what. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering, which gives me a unique perspective beyond what a lot of sports scientists have to say. Today, I want to talk about a controversial subject, fasted training. Do you want to train fasted, or do you want to be in a fed state when you do your training? Now, I saw a study recently that talked about how fasted training is good for muscular size, but not muscular strength. Man, that's a dumb take. Now, it's probably what the study found. So those reporting on that study, they're just reporting what the study said. Over time, strength and size are the exact same thing. In fact, the only reason people think that strength and size are separate is because when you're a beginner, some people have greater activation of muscle than others. Conversely, there's others with way less muscle activation. That's why, like, sometimes you can see a gymnast where they walk over to a deadlift bar and they can deadlift huge amounts of weight and they've never done it before. How did you get so strong? Well, everything they do in gymnastics requires incredible amounts of strength in pretty much all muscles of the body. So they're good at recruiting muscle, which is often confused with strength for a beginner. If you're not a beginner, you're beyond it. But ultimately, as time progresses and people get stronger, muscle size and muscle strength become the same thing. This is why we have weight classes with fighters. This is why you'll never see a 220-pound guy fight a 120-pound guy, because obviously the 220-pound guy will just destroy the smaller guy. It would be safety concerns. The research that talks about which is like you're going to get size but not strength, like that's just not how it works. And check out this graphic. This is from Stronger by Science. This graphic shows over time it's all the same thing. I think fasted training is great. I train fasted, sort of. I take my Fortigen in the morning, which gives me essential amino acids, and then I do my training. And I don't think I've ever had solid food before my training in maybe 10 years. And no trouble growing muscle. So just don't worry about it. Like, as long as you get your nutrients at some point in the day, your body's going to create that protein synthesis. It'll happen. So you don't need to stress about like what time do you need to do what. You'll be good as long as you get your nutrition in the day. If you're on hormone replacement therapy, you use that correctly. Like if you have fast-acting testosterone, you take it in the morning and only the morning and never not in the morning. You're training. As long as you're getting stronger every single time, or you're attempting to get strong, if all rest periods are correct and you're getting your proper sleep and your proper nutrition, you'll get stronger every time. You'll know you're healthy because you don't get stronger if you're not healthy, and you'll keep on progressing in the right way. Just don't worry about the timing of it. Hope that helps.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm going to put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're going to help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.